Yeah. So I can make something.
To be honest.
Even the one story I wanted us to do. Though I may need an elderly person.
Okay, in Manchester.
Yes, an elderly person. There's this guy who was so angry. He hated the Igbos. Always condemned the Igbos, and he's a Yoruba guy.
Oh, you talked about it the other time. Huh? It's always on TikTok or something.
Somebody did it.
Okay.
But I just wanted to act it.
All right. Okay.
You
All
see?
right. Nice.
So
nice.
he was condemning. Then one day, boy, see, I be good. But when he during the colonial time, he lived in the eastern side, and this Mr. Keke, who is a very good friend of his. But that unfortunately, that man had
Pastor died.
So he had a very small boy of about 3 years.
Yes.
So he managed to take that boy. So that boy is him.
Oh. Another thing is, do you remember the story of how Bafemi Awolowo betrayed Nnamdi Azikiwe? When call some of them, they were shocked. Yes, they were shocked. Like they didn't know that was Awolowo that betrayed Nnamdi. They say declare Biafra. Me, I will go and declare Oduduwa. So Nnamdi, where they declare any Biafra? And they just Zik declared Biafran region. So Zik na-echezeno ka Awolowo declare Western region chegidozie Nigeria wee sị na ndị Igbo marginalize ife bido Biafra War eji wee gbube anyị. At the end wee sị after that 3 years this June 20, 1970, I say no victory, no conquest. Everybody ji na egbu n'Igwe wee gbuchapụ ha. Remember egbu n'Igwe? Yeah, I lied a lot.
Yes.
So that's basically what happened. It was Awolowo betrayal Zik.
They will never believe it.
They were shocked. They were like, oh my God, say you're cowards. You're cowards. The problem, then again, after Biafra, Eguni in the Igbo went in a bank.
He
froze in yeah, for 50 naira.
20 pounds.
20 pounds, I remember.
Of course, yes.
Can you imagine? So Roberta, it's been a long journey, really. The problem we have in that country, but on the film man.
I'm telling you, and
Amelia.
I tell you, they don't want to know. They don't want to know.
You know, it would be nice to create something in this country.
Yes, we need to do something. All I'm making it and they drink out. Every time I'm not here some biko.
Shoot movies and all that.
Yes.
Yeah, that's fine.
I should shoot this thing, you know. Only one camera, I'm telling you, go again.
Yeah, that's good. I would like to be an able movie producer in Manchester.
Yeah, of course.
I ain't wear base. But I want to take over Manchester. Forget the whole Lancashire.
Of course.
You know? Take over. Where on your name? Where on? If I'm glad the filming part, more and the script.
Yeah.
I come my idea and then the script is so cool.
And you see, it's not a must that we should be in the film, because if you're a creator, you don't
know behind.
I always love to be behind. I don't like to appear
sense.
Because at times I look over the world men appear. I don't know if I've shown it to you.
Okay.
It was so beautiful. One boy, Niger, the boy at once bros Mleifa na ka make an appear. I'm the too good. Pick up, okay, come. Let me bring my equipment.
Okay.
Main editing. It was so good. He posted it on his listen. There are thousands are disturbing him. You know. So the problem, my brother, that I'm marrying him. You know, it's only that I need. While I was in Nigeria, all these guys were my mates.
Okay.
You know, so I used to act too. This guy,
Antonani, I know all of them. While I did, we shot Shango movie together.
Yes.
97.
This one did this
Isakaba. Okay.
Michael Gundi.
Ah, cool.
Because I stayed in Enugu for almost 10 years. You know?
When she lost went together in London like 3 months ago.
So these guys are much. I have very close. That's why we should get down my thing. You will be amazed.
my brother.
One day you get win Grammy. Oscar. You get win. Shoot, what documentary? Ne file one in shoot two things, you know.
I even go through this video. So the thing, if you get a good concept, you know, because I'm always in a kind of